Have you ever wondered why understanding customer data can be such a challenge? It might seem like a riddle wrapped in a mystery inside an enigma, but it's actually a question that many businesses grapple with every day. You see, customer data is complex, and that complexity is part of what makes it so challenging to understand. It comes from a multitude of sources, online and offline, direct and indirect, structured and unstructured. This data is also diverse in its format. It could be in the form of text, images, numbers, dates, or even geospatial data. Now imagine trying to make sense of this data, trying to piece together a coherent picture from these disparate parts. It's like trying to assemble a jigsaw puzzle without having seen the picture on the box. And the stakes are high. Getting it right is crucial because a complete and accurate customer profile is the foundation for delivering personalized customer experiences. These experiences are not just about selling a product or a service. They're about building a relationship with your customer, understanding their wants, their needs, their preferences, and their behaviors. They're about being able to anticipate what your customer wants before they even know they want it. But to do that, you need to understand your customer data. You need to be able to harness its power and unlock its potential. And that's where the challenge lies. The sheer volume and variety of data can be overwhelming. The process of collecting, cleaning, integrating, analyzing, and interpreting this data can be time-consuming and resource-intensive. But what if there was a way to simplify this process? What if there was a tool that could help you navigate the complexities of customer data and harness its power more effectively? Well, there is. It's called the Experience Data Model, and it's part of the Adobe Experience Platform. The solution to this challenge lies in Adobe Experience Platform's Experience Data Model. So, what exactly is Adobe Experience Platform's Experience Data Model, or XDM? I hear you ask. Well, it's a system and a model designed to help enterprises leverage data from different sources to create enriched customer profiles. Let's break it down a little further. The XDM system provides the infrastructure and workflow to manage this data. It's like a well-oiled machine, diligently working in the background, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. Then we have the XDM model. This is where it gets interesting. The model standardizes data sets, allowing for a consistent and unified approach to data management. This standardization is crucial in a world where data comes in an array of formats and from countless sources. Now, at the heart of the XDM is something called schemas. Think of schemas as the building blocks of your customer profiles. They're made up of 4 components and can be reused across datasets. This reuse allows for consistency, but also flexibility, as the schemas can be tailored to suit different data needs. But what makes the XDM truly powerful is its ability to create a complete and accurate picture of your customers. By leveraging data from different sources, the XDM can create enriched customer profiles that offer a 360-degree view of your customers. This comprehensive view is essential for delivering personalized customer experiences. To put it simply, XDM is the key to understanding and utilizing your customer data effectively. It's like having a roadmap to your customer data, guiding you through the complex terrain of data management. With XDM, you can navigate this terrain with ease, ensuring that you're always on the right path to delivering exceptional customer experiences. So the next time you're grappling with customer data, remember XDM. It's your secret weapon for unlocking the full potential of your data and transforming it into meaningful customer profiles. To put it simply, XDM is the key to understanding and utilizing your customer data effectively. Let's delve deeper into the components of XDM, the schemas. Now, if you're wondering what a schema is, just think of it as a blueprint. It's a framework that helps us organize and interpret data. In the case of XDM, schemas are built from 4 crucial components. First, we have classes. These could be likened to the foundational building blocks of a schema. They define the broadest, most general aspects of the data we're dealing with. For instance, a class could be something as simple as customer or product. It gives us a broad category to start with. Next, we have mix-ins. As the name suggests, these are elements we mix into our class to add more detail. If our class is customer, a mix-in could be demographics, adding details like age, gender, and location to our customer data. Moving on, we have unions. These are a bit more complex. Unions allow us to bring together different classes under one umbrella. For example, if we have a customer class and a product class, a union could be purchased, linking the customer and the product in a single, meaningful relationship. Lastly, we have multi-entity relationships. These are a way of establishing connections between different entities within a single class. For instance, if our class is product, a multi-entity relationship could connect different products based on similarities or differences. So, why does all this matter? Well, the beauty of XDM lies in its flexibility. Once you've created a schema, you can reuse it across different datasets. This means you can standardize your data, making it easier to analyze and use. And of course, the more effectively you can use your data, the better you can understand your customers. These components make XDM a powerful tool for standardizing and leveraging customer data. Now, how does XDM relate to the real-time customer profile? Well, let's delve into that. The Experience Data Model, or XDM, provides the structure for the data that feeds into the real-time customer profile. You can think of it as the foundation upon which the customer profile is built. The real-time customer profile service uses something called the identity graph in the Adobe Experience Platform. The identity graph is essentially a network of identifiers that link together different pieces of data related to a single customer. These identifiers could be anything from an email address to a username or a device ID. Now, each profile in the real-time customer profile service requires a primary identity. This is the main identifier that ties all of the customer's data together. It could be a customer ID from your CRM system or a hashed email address, for example. But here's where XDM comes into play. XDM standardizes the data from different sources, making it possible to link all this disparate data together using the primary identity. This creates a unified 360-degree view of each customer. In other words, XDM is the glue that holds all the data together. It enables you to create a rich, detailed profile of each customer, using data from a multitude of sources. And it does so in real time, allowing for timely, personalized customer interactions. So you see, XDM and real-time customer profile are deeply interconnected. One cannot function without the other. The real-time customer profile relies on XDM to provide the standardized data it needs to create a full, rounded view of each customer. In essence, XDM is the backbone that allows the real-time customer profile to function effectively. Let's sum up what we've learned today. The Adobe Experience Platform's Experience Data Model, or XDM, is a pivotal tool for enterprises aiming to understand their customer data more comprehensively. It's a system with a model that standardizes data sets, making it easier for businesses to analyze and utilize the data they have. The XDM is built on schemas, which are comprised of 4 main components. These schemas are versatile and can be reused across different data sets, adding to the efficiency and practicality of the model. They allow us to understand and classify information in a standardized way, which is crucial for data analysis and interpretation. Now, let's talk about how XDM relates to the real-time customer profile. The real-time customer profile service uses the identity graph in the Adobe Experience Platform and requires a primary identity for each profile. This means it leverages the schemas and standardization provided by XDM to create enriched, accurate customer profiles. The real-time customer profile's power lies in its ability to provide a 360-degree view of the customers. It uses the foundation laid by XDM to extract and interpret data from various sources, helping enterprises deliver personalized customer experiences in real time. So, in a nutshell, understanding and effectively using the XDM is the first step towards harnessing the full potential of the real-time customer profile. It's the key to unlocking a more thorough understanding of your customers and consequently delivering better, more personalized experiences. For more insights and expert recommendations on successful implementation, visit www.linkedin.com/in/pavan89 or call 9014-649905. Remember, understanding your customer data is the first step to delivering exceptional customer experiences. So, take the leap today and start exploring the potential of Adobe Experience Platform's XDM and real-time customer profile.